Steve Martinez with Jiffy Lube Lubricar from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Before White Rail, we were using Indeed and a couple other of those normal search engines.
What were the challenges of using Indeed?
We weren't getting the applicants we wanted. We weren't getting the specific type of mechanics we needed. We were just getting a full range of different people, from never being in the business to some of them wanting to be working for us but didn't really want to work for us because they didn't know we did this kind of work. I found White Rail at SEMA, so one of the best finds of the event.
How many people have you hired through White Rail? It's been like, what, 3 months or so?
Yeah, I've hired about 15. I had 5 the first day. I think we had those 5 hired the first week, which I don't think I had 5 in a whole year with my previous sources that we were using. So it was a huge increase in the influx, and we get to be picky and filter people out now, so it's really nice.
Tell me about AI and how that works for you.
It does most of the work for me. I let it do its job. I let it ask the predetermined questions that we came up with together, and it filters everything out that we need filtered out, and then it sets up an appointment. So I don't have to do anything but do an appointment and I meet with the people. So it's been easy.
So you wait for the candidates to come in, it schedules them for you, and you show up for the interviews.
Yeah, they show up for the interview, and it does most of the weeding. We do call and talk to them a little bit, but by that time, you can read all the positives about them, and you're ready to go by the time you talk to them.
And would you recommend White Rail to any of your associates at Jiffy Lube?
I'd recommend it for all of them. If they're smart and want mechanics quickly, they'll use it.